Proboard Core delivers premium protection for residential and light commercial construction projects. Engineered for versatility, Proboard Core can be used in a wide range of applications, including above-grade walls, below-grade foundations, and under-slab installations. At the heart of its performance is advanced graphite polystyrene, providing an impressive R5 thermal performance per nominal inch. This proven insulation technology helps combat thermal bridging and maintains its R value over time, delivering long-term energy efficiency you can count on. Proboard Core also supports effective moisture management. Its exceptional breathability and semi-permeable design help reduce the risk of mold, rot, and structural damage. Built for lasting performance, Proboard Core offers outstanding stability and durability, and features both a flame retardant and termite resistance. Available in a variety of sizes, thicknesses, and densities, it provides the flexibility needed for virtually any project while resisting aging, decay, and the challenges of extreme environmental conditions. Proboard Core. Premium continuous insulation engineered for performance, durability, and long-term protection. Build better with progressive foam.